Hello, my name is Christian, and welcome to this Academy video for Databeat PowerPoint Publisher. Please note that this plugin will only work for Windows computers with PowerPoint version 2010 or newer. Every step of the installation has to be completed in the browser Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer and click on Tools. Go to Internet Options and then the Security tab. Click on Trusted Sites and then Sites. Add DatabeatOMNI as a trusted site. Remember to remove the mark for Require Server Verification before adding. Once this is done, you can close the tabs. And now we move on to step 2. Install Microsoft Office Visual Tools by clicking the link in the description below. And then click on Download. Once you have downloaded, click on I read and accept the license terms, and then click Install. Wait for the installation to be complete, and then click Finish. Once the installation has been completed, you are ready to install the plugin for Databeat PowerPoint Publisher. Open the second link in the description below and click on Install. Click on Install again and wait for the installation to be completed. The next time you open PowerPoint, you will be able to see a new tab for DatabeatOMNI. You can select the canvas by pressing New. Select the canvas best suited for your monitor. You can also publish an existing presentation by clicking Publish. Log in with your credentials from DatabeatOMNI and then click Login. Set the settings for format and which customer you want the content to be published to. You will also have to set the channel. You can plan and schedule the playtime for your content, and you can also set a desired title. When all settings has been set, select Publish to upload the file to DatabeatOMNI. Select Yes, and then select every slide. Please make sure to let the file upload completely before exiting. Thank you for watching this Academy video. Please see more useful videos on our Academy site.